Good afternoon. Welcome to another one of our boat videos from Nordic Yacht Works. Today we're looking at what I would say exceptionally nice Sea Ray 260 Sundeck. The boat's a 2008, but appears to be very well maintained. We'll do a quick walk around. You can see it's got all the canvas on, so all the canvas is there. It's also in excellent shape. Bow cover, cockpit cover, and bimini top. So here we have the optional docking lights. If I see any imperfections on the hull, I'll try to point them out, but there's very little of anything here. The gel coat is really nice and shiny. Appears to have been detailed not that long ago. There's some tiny little mark on the vinyl sticker there. We have the 110 plugged in for the battery charger, so the boat does have a built-in charger. Show it from the other way. There on the side you can see the optional Corsa Captain's Call exhaust, so you can run the exhaust through the outdrive or through the sides with no muffler, so it sounds pretty impressive with the straight pipes. Here going forward, got a Bravo 3 drive. There's no corrosion on it, seems to be in good shape. The paint is so-so. At some point it was also painted with anti-fouling paint, and we had it repainted, but it didn't come out very good. But it's purely cosmetic. Here you can see, usually these boats have the Mercruiser 350 or the 6.2. This one has the optional 8.1 liter 496 mag. So the boat has 375 horsepower. Swim ladder. You can see the D26 marking, so the boat has been rack stored inside pretty much all the time. The previous owners had the bottom painted so they could keep the boat behind their vacation home when they came here, and then after they were done with the boat, it went back into the rack storage. Swim ladder. That's the drive. Trim tabs. There's the other side. I don't really see hardly any imperfections. The vinyl striping might not be 100%, but for the age of the boat, I would say it's really nice. There's a couple of tiny little marks right here. Window, that's for a separate head compartment. The boat has porta potty with the dockside pump out. And the trailer you see here, that's a 2022 model Coyote trailer, which fits the boat perfectly, and it is included in the sale. Okay, that's the outside view, and next we'll take the covers off and go to the ramp and put the boat in the water, and then we'll do a sea trial, so you'll see how the boat runs with the big block. Welcome to the inside part of the video. Just got the boat in the water. I'll do a quick walkthrough in here, then we'll start it up and go do a sea trial. So here on the port side, you have a separate head compartment, sink, some cleaning stuff there. There's a fire extinguisher, and there's a porta potty. This one you don't need to take out to empty it. It's got a dockside pump out, so when you go to a fuel station, you can just have him pump it out, and basically works almost like a regular toilet. Sink. There's a little window. There's an extra safety latch. And then on the starboard side, there we have storage. There's the factory tables, both of them. Table legs. There's a space for a cooler. We do not have the cooler, but it's built for a standard igloo. Walk-through windshield. Lounge seats. They're both in really nice shape. Vinyl is soft. Tiny rip right here. Maybe somebody stepped on it with a high heel shoe or something. There's another shower here. There's an anchor locker with an anchor. Built-in icebox. Seats are a little bit dirty right now. We didn't clean it before we put it in the water. Both of the seats have the lift-up armrests. Bucket seats. Both of them have the bolster feature, so you can drive standing up or sitting down. Here is the dash. Shows that the boat's being stored inside. This really looks like brand new. That's the depth finder. See the hours. The boat has 396 hours right now, and that's straight from the engine computer. So those are the real hours. It's already warm. We moved it to a different dock here. GPS also works. The depth finder on this boat is on the SmartCraft gauge, not on the Garmin sounder. Going back, all the seats here too, very good shape. Here we have a small wet bar, more storage. This one, there's a small chip there, maybe somebody dropped something there at some point. Over here, the black one there, that's your shore power inlet for a battery charger. There's a look at the swim platform. There's a few stains on the seat. They might just come right off. I'll have to check that. And here's the engine. As I mentioned earlier, this boat has the big block 496. So a fairly rare option. Freshwater cooled and moves the boat really, really well. Okay. That's it for the inside. I'll do a... Yeah, that's about it. We'll go and do a sea trial next. Thanks. Sea trial part. Put it in gear and put it up on plane slowly. And as you can hear, we have the exhaust open now. moves really, really well. And now we're running in quiet mode with the exhaust. A world of difference. Okay, that's the end of our sea trial part. Thanks for watching. Back from the sea trial. Time to fire up the engine for flushing it. So go ahead, start it up. Pumping. It takes a while to get started. Less than 400 hours, so I would say it sounds pretty healthy. Want to flip the exhaust open? Most of it still comes out through the drive. Basically the idea is if there's water pressure underwater, then most of it comes through the side, but right now there's no pressure, so it goes through the white pipe and through the gimbal housing. Okay, that concludes our presentation video of the 260 Sundeck. And if you have any questions, just give it. Thanks again for watching, and hit that subscribe if you like what you see.